In this video, Bitcoin is currently stealing the show. This is a major warning for altcoins. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So let's dive into the Bitcoin short term first before we talk about that current scenario na nangyari sa Bitcoin dominance. So let's dive into the Bitcoin price action first. So recently, nakita tayo ng breakout sa ating RSI resistance. So we broke this RSI resistance and yeah, nagkaroon tayo ng pump to the upside. However, yung previous na sinasabi ko sa inyo, di ba guys, kailangan natin ng volume. Kasi, remember, if wala tayong volume, then just like what happened last time, nag-break sa ating RSI resistance pero walang volume, that led to a fake out. So ngayon wala tayong volume, so I think this might possibly lead into a fake out. And yeah, nag-open ako actually ng buy order dito. Dito nag-open ako ng buy order. And naglagay ako ng stop loss dito. Just in case na biglang bumaba siya, at least kahit paano, na-secure natin yung capital. And yeah, na-secure, nag-hit yung stop loss ko ngayon and nag-secure yung capital ko ngayon. So yeah, labas yung trade ko ngayon sa Bingbon. And sa Bitcoin, sa Phoenix naman, naka-open pa din yung long position ko. Pero yeah, sobrang layo kasi ng long position na binili ko nun. So, that's why I'm still hodling that. But nag-open din ako ng position size kanina. Naglagay ako dito ng panibagong position size. Pero nung nahit yung stop loss ko sa Bingbon, nahit din yung stop loss sa sinet ko dito sa aking Phoenix trade when it comes to the added position size. So, right now, yung aking positions are just yung binili ko dito na naka-open and then nag-take partial profits ako. And then dito, nag-buy ako pero, yeah, nag-hit na yung stop loss. So, right now, yun lang yung trade ko ngayon. So, right now, I think ang pwede mangyari dito for the Bitcoin price, I think it's going to more likely consolidate. But, yeah, if you're going to follow this previous movement na nagkaroon ng fake out, then that would mean na possible na makakuha tayo ng dump dito. And, yeah, right now, yun yung ating kailangan tingnan ngayon for the Bitcoin price, which is itong similar area na nakikita natin dito, which is, I think it's forming to be a similar movement. So, you need to watch that one out very closely kung ano mangyayari dyan in the coming days, especially if you're going to look in the early time frame. The RSI is rapidly declining. So, that is a good sign actually. Kasi may mga iba natatakot pag nagde-dip. Natatakot na sila sa Bitcoin price. Well, if I were you, mas maganda na nagde-decline yung ating RSI. Kasi if nagde-decline yan, then that would give us an opportunity to re-enter the market. Kasi let's say, nag-decline siya further, let's say bumaba siya ulit pabalik ng 30 threshold, then in that case, this is a buying opportunity for the Bitcoin price. So, kahit papano, okay, pabor sa akin yung gantong dump or dip na kung yari makita tayo ng dip dyan, then yeah, that poses an opportunity for us. So, if I were you, I would be buying off from that dip, and siguro pwede mo tingnan for the time being is the $47,000 as still the support na pwede natin tingnan for the time being. And yeah, kitang-kita mo din siya sa 4-hour time frame. But on top of that, ang pwede mo dun sabihin na support is actually this 48.7K. As you can see, dun din tayo nagkakaroon ng resistance dati. So, that area can also be a technical support dito sa ating Bitcoin price if nag-dip siya further. So, looking at this in the daily time frame, you can see na hindi pa tayo overbought. So, possible na it's just a minor pullback lang siya. And yung in-expect natin na pullback ever since, ay possible na ito yun. But, yeah, it's not yet overbought dito sa ating Bitcoin price in the daily time frame. So, possible na umakit pa siya anytime soon. It's just a matter of pullbacks lang talaga with the Bitcoin price. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, I highly suggest na you trade it with Bingbon. Kasi dito you could actually share your trades, or if you want to copy trade, you can do copy trading dito. If you want to claim bonuses dito sa ating Bingbon account, you can actually use my sign up link na makita mo dyan in the description down below. And guys, if you want to stake your coins, the only place where you can stake Bitcoin is actually in Crypto.com. So, if you want to stake your Bitcoin, I highly suggest na you try out Crypto.com. Kasi dito kay Crypto.com, you can actually get this Visa card if you stake your CRO. Plus, if nag-stake ka ng Bitcoin, you can actually earn interest sa inyong Bitcoin. So, unlike sa iba na, sa Binance kasi wala sila dong staking for Bitcoin. So, dito sa Crypto.com meron. So, yeah, if you want to stake Bitcoin, I highly suggest na you try out Crypto.com. And yeah, you can claim up to $50 bonus in Crypto.com if you use my sign-up link na makita mo dyan in the description down below. So that's for the Bitcoin price. Now, let's talk about the Bitcoin dominance. Kasi, diba previously, we were following this rising wedge and traditionally, it's a bearish pattern. And traditionally, the ideal breakout for this movement is for it to go down. However, nagkakaroon tayo ngayon ng trend reversal. So, ano ba yung magiging target natin dito sa Bitcoin dominance? So, ang target natin dito is by getting the height of this rising wedge and then lagyan natin sa possible point of breakout. So, ang mangyayari ngayon is i-play out yung kanyang bullish scenario. So, right now, Bitcoin is performing better. So, just to give you a quick review, if the Bitcoin dominance is going down, it means altcoins will be healthier and will pump better than Bitcoin. So, meaning yung buong altcoin market. Pero if, let's say, nagko-pump yung ating Bitcoin dominance, and that would mean Bitcoin would perform better against altcoins. So, this would mean na more likely mapapag-iwanan yung altcoin market with the Bitcoin pump. So, nakita natin siya, di ba, recently na umakit si Bitcoin, pero hindi na susubaybayan ng altcoins yung kanyang mga pump. Though meron mga ibang altcoins na umakyat, but yeah, yung kanyang general sentiment ng buong market are currently bleeding against Bitcoin. So yeah, that's for the Bitcoin dominance. This is not looking good for the crypto market if you're going to ask me kasi pataas siya. And yeah, if I were you, you should be investing more Bitcoin for the time being instead of any other altcoins. Though may mga altcoins ngayon na mag-pump kasi of course, hindi may iwasan na magkakaroon ng pump sa mga iba't ibang maliliit na altcoins. But yeah, yung kanyang general sentiment is currently bleeding against Bitcoin. And last but not the least, let's talk about Ethereum. Kasi right now, with Ethereum, we are currently seeing this massive warning, which is a bearish divergence. So, ngayon nag-form na tayo ng bearish divergence and that is an increasing price with a declining RSI. And that is a signal for a bearish trend reversal. So, yeah, that could be a good take profit area ngayon kay Ethereum dito. So, this is still a good take profit area for the Ethereum price action kasi 'di ba? We came off from this pump. Pero right now, I think ang kailangan mo i-monitor is this 50 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So, it's more likely going to this target sa 50 moving average kay Ethereum. So, yeah, you need to watch that one out. So, I think ako, baka maglagay ako ng panibagong position dito sa Ethereum if, let's say, bumalik siya sa 50 moving average. That could be a good opportunity. But, yeah, if I were you, I would wait for new indicators to form kasi what we would now want to happen is this to decline while the RSI is increasing. So, in that case, that would be a bullish trend reversal. So, yun yung kailangan natin abangan ngayon for the Ethereum price action, which is, sa ngayon, nasa bearish divergence pa lang tayo. So, we need to wait out for the bearish divergence to play out first before entering into any big trades with Ethereum. So, just like kanina kay Bitcoin, you can actually trade Ethereum dito sa Bingbon and just use my sign-up link if you want to claim bonus dito sa ating Bingbon account. So, ayun guys, yun muna yung update natin for today. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.